Today, we're going to be talking about the book The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. Now, this book quite literally has blown my mind and is a book that I will recommend to pretty much anyone who I feel needs a helping hand with what's going on in their lives. So before we get started, I just want to say that this video is sponsored by Shortform, and we'll cover more on them in a moment. The Power of Now has one very simple premise. We only exist in this present moment. And it's so true. You cannot suddenly exist in the past, and you cannot go and exist in the future and come back, right? There is only now. It does go on the fringe of your understanding and say that, the past and the future don't even exist, only now exists, which if you're ready for that, it's a good ride. But even if you're not ready for that, this book pretty much has so much to offer. Now, I like this book because I'm trying to find my understanding. I'm trying to connect more with my spiritual self so that I can live a happier, more fulfilled life. I love the idea of kind of expanding the possibility of what other alternate ways of thinking about the same thing is. And this book helps with that. Now, where it also helps with is for people with anxiety or maybe depression, where they're looking at things in their past and they're stuck remembering things in the past. And the book really covers this. And it all comes down to one simple thing. There's the you, and then there's your egoic self. But the you is the life energy, like the light, the being that you are, but is not really affected by the physical and external world. That's your egoic side. So let me give you an example. Let's say you had quite a troubling childhood, and in adulthood, there are things that now kind of trigger you to kind of remember that upbringing. And that will drive the behaviors and the feelings and basically how you perceive the world. And sometimes you might be trapped into kind of going over the past and, this happened, that happened, why did this happen, all of that. And there's another side to it as well. Some people are stuck in the future, continually thinking about what's next. Oh, I must do that, I must do this. And anxiety is sort of a form of that, where you're basically predicting a negative outcome in the future that creates the sense of anxiety and fear and uncertainty and all of that. And this book helps you with the techniques to bring yourself into the now, so that you can be present with your being. And the worries and the thinking and all of that, that's what we call the egoic mind, which you could really perceive as the you that's on autopilot, the you that is programmed to respond in certain ways, the you that is kind of defaults to thinking positively or negatively, whatever that is. And where I found some kind of real comfort in this, and combining that with some other books that I've been reading, is that the egoic mind is sort of how I perceive the brain and its programming. And when I say programming, I mean like your experiences growing up and the things that basically trigger whether you're happy about something or upset about something, whether you worry about something or not. And the funny thing is, and the book covers this, that egoic mind has needs and desires. And these are the kind of things that you could think maybe are not designed, but evolutionary supported. So it has the need for social status. It has the desire for, food and sex and all those kind of things, right? These are the things that drive. And scientifically, we can sort of measure that. We can do the brainwave activities, and we can measure the hormonal responses and all those things. With that, the question is, how do you connect with your being, which is that sort of enlightened state where you feel the energy that comes through you? What Eckhart Tolle does is he gives you that kind of way to first recognize the triggers of what's going on when you're feeling agitated, when you're feeling anxious. You want to start observing those patterns, and then you can start looking at it from a third person, looking at it from a distance. And where this really helps is when you do it in a non-judgmental way, when you're just observing. Nothing is either right and nothing is either wrong, just observing. Whether you're observing your behaviors, your triggers, your anxieties, your responses, all those things. And then it's about bringing it down to a calmer level, using breathing to really focus in on the now. And it's very similar to meditation in a way, where you're taking yourself out of the thoughts and you're sort of aligning yourself next to the thoughts, and then you can let the thoughts go. If you suffer anxiety, this is a great technique when your mind creates that anxious cycle, going through the loop of the things that if this happens, then this happens, then that happens, then that happens. And it's about stepping back. And with the meditation side, what you can do is you can sort of quieten those thoughts, let them go. It doesn't happen overnight. It takes a lot of practice, but is a way to create that distance between your kind of egoic mind response to sort of a distant response, where you can feel more at peace and in control, less of the anxiety and the fear and the response and the anger and the frustration, all those kind of things. So this book is a really great framework for embodying that into your life. So I know people personally who have used this book to help with their anxiety, and I have seen a marked difference. And I have found this book to help me keep my desires in check. In other words, being an entrepreneur and you sort of get carried away with wanting success and hustle and all that, and you actually want to be here right now. It's helped me with the stresses where other people are feeling pain and you're with them, you're trying to support them, but you're feeling that pain too. But the important thing is, can you use this as a way to feel inner peace, to feel calmer, to live a happier life, and have a better understanding of relationships and how other people are maybe in their egoic mind, and that the responses and the way they treat you or others is sort of part of that. So I would say absolutely yes, this book quite literally blew my mind, because it was introducing these concepts that were new to me, but were like, really, hey, this is kind of interesting. Plus the real practical aspect of being able to take a stressful situation, take something you're worried about, and just bring it down to now. Find your center, breathe, let your egoic mind quieten down. Don't worry, there's no right, there's no wrong, there just is, all those things. So I highly recommend this book. It's been a fun ride for me, for sure, and I'm sure there are many people who could benefit from the teachings of Eckhart Tolle. And now I would like to talk about today's sponsor, Shortform. Shortform is a book summary tool that basically takes the most popular books and summarizes it down so you can get the best information out of those books without having to pretty much read the entire thing back to back. As a busy professional, I pretty much don't have time to read all the books that I really want to read. And personally, I use Shortform because I've listened to a lot of audiobooks over the number of years. Some are really amazing. Like this book here, I listened to the audiobook many years ago and I didn't really have time to reread the book. So what I did was use Shortform. I used their one-page summary, and basically it was enough to allow me to recall all the really great parts from the book without having to spend the time to do that. And if I'm honest, it only took me 20 minutes to pretty much recall the majority of the book. That was amazing. That's an amazing saving of my time that saves me having to reread the entire book. Now, Shortform cover a wide range of genres, and the ones you may be interested in are things like psychology, self-improvement, and of course, this book here, found in the spirituality genre. To get a 5-day free trial, join Shortform with my special link, shortform.com/Martin, or click the link in the description. And the first 100 people will get a 20% discount on the yearly subscription. As you can tell, I love Shortform. It helps me with my YouTube and creating content, and more importantly, being able to recall the books that I've read in the past and basically save a lot of time. So thank you, Shortform, for sponsoring this video.